Oh man, it's day 20 of my sandwich challenge. Today I attempted to make an Indian sandwich called the Vada Pav, Mumbai's popular street food dish. Disclaimer, I really mean it when I say the word attempt. This sandwich is by far the most difficult sandwich to prepare, partly because this is also new to me, but it really takes time and patience to get the consistency for every part of the sandwich correct. So the sandwich consists of a deep fried curry potato coated with golden turmeric chickpea flour, aka the Vada, thus sandwiched between slider buns, aka the Pav. But between all of that are three different spreads: the chili coconut chutney, the green cilantro chutney, and the dark tamarind sauce. You put all the components together and you get one flavorful potato patty sandwich. Day 20 of my sandwich challenge, we going big. Gonna smush it. Ooh, this looks like a sandwich now. Dude, literally a flavor bomb. Shout out PD Nim's waifu for the idea. No number rating, dude. Effort and the labor, A+. The technique though, eh. Either way, I had fun doing this. This is super good.